Hey guys, it's Mariah and today I'll be showing you how to make vegan pancakes with only 3 ingredients. Okay, all you guys are going to need is 1 medium-sized banana, 1 cup of oat flour, or if you're like me, I just have oats, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some oat flour. And you will need 1 cup of your choice of nut milk, I will say. But I used almond milk, vanilla almond milk, because it just gives a little bit more love, okay? So we're going to get started. And I use actually 5 ingredients, but it really just calls for these 3 ingredients. So if that's what you guys want to do, please feel free. I love a little bit more, awesomeness in my food, so I add a little bit more vanilla extract. And I'm literally just going to add 2 capfuls. 1, add it to my vanilla almond milk. 2, okay, gives you a nice brown mocha color too. Super exciting. Okay, and so to make the almond milk, to make the oat flour, just gonna use 1 cup of oats, and I have my little Bella here. So you can just put this in a blender if that works for you. Let's pray that this doesn't all fall down on the ground. That's like the ideal situation, is to not have everything fall out. But you lose a little time, just add a little bit more. Who cares? Okay, so I'm gonna blend this up in my cute little Bella. Watch and learn. Shake it up a little bit. Okay, and now you have oat flour. See? Simple. So you guys can just use the ingredients that you have in your house. You don't always have to go out and buy a new ingredient. You don't need all that. Sometimes we just have what we need at home. Okay, so for the people that are vegan who do not like using sugar, it's kind of like a debate. You can use coconut sugar, you can use vegan sugar, things like that. But I'm just going to be using some cinnamon sugar because I actually love some vegan dishes that I've been making recently, but I'm not vegan, so I'm just incorporating it into kind of my everyday lifestyle, and it's been really fun and entertaining. And also, it definitely has expanded my creativity in the kitchen, I think, just having to learn how to use different ingredients and season things. So I'm going to put the medium-sized banana in the blender. Boom. And then we're going to take your beautiful vanilla almond milk, or you can use macadamia nut milk, cashew milk, whatever kind of milk, other than real milk if you're making it vegan, will be fine. And so I'm going to put all this into my little Bella, or into your blender, into your bullet, into whatever device you have for that. And I'm just going to flip it over and shake it up a little bit and start right? So simple. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put it back into my measuring glass. Okay, so kind of look at the consistency. For me, I want a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, that's if you kind of want a thinner pancake. I like a little bit more of a fluffy, dense pancake. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of the old-fashioned Quaker oats, and that'll help thicken it up. Almost acts as like a breading, kind of. It absorbs all of the almond milk. For the most part, this isn't like that messy of a dish, and that's what I really like about it. It's simple. Only 3 ingredients, and it's not messy, so I'm down. See how that's a little bit thicker? Now we're cooking with grease. Speaking of that, this is a non-stick pan. So you can also coat it a little bit and just pour your pancake right on the pan. I really want these to be like perfectly circular. So we're gonna pray real hard in the name of Jesus, let these pancakes be perfectly circular. Oh, won't be a huge pancake, just one huge one. Why not? Probably for my dad. Now we're just gonna start off with, I really would rather have 5. I really like number 4. And I'm the 5th member of my family, so why not 5? Okay, so now you're just gonna let those sit and rest. I've had the griddle on for about 7 minutes, and so we're just gonna let those rest for a little bit, and in a second we'll just flip them over. Okay? And we're back, y'all! Okay, so I just left this on one side for about 1.5 minutes. We're gonna flip them over, and there you go. Vegan pancakes with 3 easy steps. 5 easy steps. 3 easy steps, okay guys? So I'm so glad that you guys are here with me today. To watch this video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and also follow me on Instagram at I am Mariah Gabrielle. I am MORIAHGABRIELLE. Doesn't feel like a song? Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and see you next time.